bright morning, she pulled on her yellow rain boots, strapped on her sparkly purple backpack, and announced,
"Today, I'm going to school."
The barn went silent, except for the farmer who fainted into a haystack. Squish, squash, squish, squash. Down the road she marched, and where was she headed? Gigglesworth Elementary School. Mrs. Apple Blossom was taking attendance when suddenly a very large head poked through the door.
"Morning!"
The class gasped. A cow in school? The first lesson was math. Mrs. Apple Blossom asked,
"What's 2 plus 2?
"That's easy. It equals more."
The children laughed so hard one fell right off his chair. Next came science. Clarabelle loved magnets, maybe a little too much. Clang! The janitor's keys went flying across the room.
Oops, guess I'm a MovieNet expert now.
The kids were laughing so hard their cheeks hurt. Finally, the moment Clarabelle had been waiting for, lunch.
"One slice of pizza, please."
But you're a cow."
"Yes, a cow who loves cheese."
And so she sat right on top of the lunch table to eat. Everyone thought it was hilarious. In gym, things got bouncy. Boing! A dodgeball bounced off Clarabelle's belly. Boing! Another flew off her tail. Soon the whole gym was roaring with laughter, even the coach. At the end of the day, Mrs. Apple Blossom smiled.
"Clarabelle, you may not be the best at math or dodgeball, but you brought us more joy than we've had all year."
Does that mean I passed?
With flying colours.
The classroom erupted in cheers. And so, Clarabelle kept learning, kept laughing, and always got extra pizza at lunch. That's the day the cow went to school.